What I wish I knew at age 12, snoring isn't just dad noises. It's actually your throat playing a weird little tune while you sleep. Snoring happens when air tries to squeeze through the back of your throat, making those floppy tissues wobble and vibrate. That's what creates the classic snore sound. Sleeping on your back, having a stuffy nose, or even carrying a little extra weight can make snoring much louder. Oh, and sleep apnea? That can crank the volume up to 11. But here's the thing, constant snoring might mean you aren't sleeping well, so it's not just about the noise. Got a snorer in your life? Tag them below, and maybe hand them some earplugs.